Irrigation is one of the most basic steps in farming, but irrigation adds more than just H2O to your soil. Most irrigation water is alkaline with lots of salts, which can cause salt stress, lock up nutrients, and limit plant growth. The traditional methods to fight alkaline soils are to add solid sulfur to the soil or flood the soil with water. Adding sulfur can take decades to produce any results and rarely works because untreated irrigation water brings even more salts with it, negating the benefits from solid sulfur. Since soil alkalinity comes from irrigation water, why treat the symptom, alkaline soil, rather than fixing the source, your alkaline irrigation water? Many farmers approach this by adding sulfuric acid to their water.
Sulfuric acid is extremely dangerous to handle, especially in large quantities.
Always having to suit up, put gloves on to move a barrel from point A to point B. So it just became a matter of necessity to ease our minds and say, okay, let's make this foolproof.
Sweetwater is safe to handle with the pH of lemon juice.
The Sweetwater sulfur burner is just simple. It's easy for me to train anybody to use it.
The price of using our sulfur burner is surprisingly low, costing 70% less than sulfuric acid and 90% less than other organic acids. Sweetwater costs on average only 88 cents per gallon, while sulfuric acid costs over $3 per gallon. Other acids can be much more expensive, costing over $8.20 per gallon. This adds up to huge savings over time. The Sweetwater sulfur burner's patented industry-leading design converts solid sulfur into SO2 gas, putting more than 99.99% of the sulfur into the irrigation water, lowering its pH to a slight acid and eliminating the sulfur smell. This sweet water unclogs your soil, allowing salts that have built up over time to leach below the root zone, freeing up minerals from the soil and water, changing them to valuable fertilizers like gypsum and potash, and optimizing the soil's pH over time.
The sulfur burner in general will open up the whole soil system. It makes the ionic charges available for the fertilizer, for the micronutrients that you're going to add into it.
These freed up minerals include calcium, magnesium, potassium, phosphate, iron, copper, zinc, manganese, and other important micronutrients. Most customers report big increases in crop yield and quality, healthier plants and soil, and a reduction in fertilizer and water use.
We have seen increase in size, increase in sugars, increase in color.
With the sulfur burners, we see a quicker response to available nutrients in the soil.
To increase your micronutrients, well, you got to have a sulfur burner.
Sweetwater greatly increases water penetration, reducing water usage by as much as 15%. Our sulfur burners also improve water flow in pipes by dissolving limescale and eliminate most algae. It is also organically certified. Scientists believe serious plant diseases such as cotton root rot, citrus greening, and others may be greatly reduced by Sweetwater. The oxygenated soil helps make other remedies more effective as well.
I'm highly satisfied with the machine itself and the service that goes with it.
They're a good investment. They have been for our farm.
Sweetwater is a proven moneymaker. Optimizes the pH of your soil and water, decreases use of water and fertilizer, reduces plant disease, and greatly increases crop yield and quality. Sweetwater is the best way to treat soil alkalinity because it is safe, cost-effective, gentle on the environment, and saves you big money year after year. Find out more about the Sweetwater solution. Call today